Retains steering wheel controls on select models. See fit slide in images. Retains all safety and warning chimes. Works with factory amplified premium sound systems. Not compatible with digital premium Bose systems, RPO codes, Y91/Y92/C75. Provides data-driven plus 12 volts accessory, R.A.P, output. Does not retain on-star features. For 40 years, Scosche has been producing high-quality, affordable car stereo dash kits, vehicle wiring harnesses, adapters, interfaces, amplifier wiring dash kits, cables and other 12 volts installation accessories. We know how you feel about your vehicle, so we will not design, engineer or deliver a product that does not meet our extremely high standards. When you purchase a Scosche installation accessory, we have you covered. We offer lifetime tech support, which means our knowledgeable tech team is available to answer any product questions you may have for as long as you own the product. Top reviews from the United States. Keep blinker tones and on-star functionality. Definitely a must if your car has on-star and you want to keep blinker tones. Super easy to install.